Hello, ocean ambassadors. Welcome to the Marine Mammal Center. My name is Krista. This year, we are going to be learning the ins and outs of what it is that we do here at the center. Historically, marine mammals have been hunted for their fur or blubber or have faced other man-made threats. Today, they're protected under the Marine Mammal Protection Act of 1972. What that means is we can't get all that close to them, we're not going to hunt them, and really we should be leaving them alone as much as possible. We are a marine mammal hospital, so we pick up sick and injured marine mammals from along 600 miles of the California coastline. We bring them back here to the center. Just like at a human hospital, we're going to run any tests to figure out what's wrong with the animal and then treat them, with the #1 goal being to get them back out into the ocean. It takes a lot of teamwork to rehabilitate marine mammals, from people like you who find animals on the beach and let us know, to veterinarians who actually come up with a plan of treatment, to the lab technician, to the life support team that makes sure they have somewhere to live while they're here, and to the research biologists who figure out what is a normal marine mammal like out in the wild. All of these people have different backgrounds and different careers, but they have two things in common. One, they want to take care of marine mammals. And two, they're really observant. One of the most important things in this field is that we make sure we know what's happening at all times. And that's going to mean keeping a record of when we first see an animal, to what we do to help that animal, to finally when we release it, what's happening next. Especially when a patient is here at the center, everyone who plays a role in its care needs to make sure that they leave a record for the next person that's coming in. So for example, when an animal is picked up on the beach, we're going to write down where we found it, when we found it, and what its condition is. They're going to be transferred to the veterinarians who are going to take the first look. It's called an admit exam, where they want to figure out as much as they can about what's going on with that patient. From that point, the patient's going to be transferred to be with all of the other animals here, where volunteers will be responsible for feeding and cleaning around that animal. As soon as they get better, they're going to be released back out into the wild, and we're going to take careful notes all along the way, so we have a complete story to tell when an animal goes back home. As ocean ambassadors, we want you to be able to do the same. So we're giving you your own field notebook where you can record everything you see in this program. Just like what a researcher would take out into the field or what a veterinarian records about a patient here at the center. This is a great place to capture all of your thoughts, all of your questions, everything that you're wondering throughout this program. It's even waterproof, so all you have to do is make sure you don't lose it. The ocean is a really big place, so keep your eyes peeled and let's see what we can find.